Hello friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I am Meghna. Today's video is going to be a very interesting one. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can paste different grains like rajma, rice, various dals that are available in our kitchen easily. So stay tuned to Orange Blast. So guys, for today's activity I have chosen a tribal face. You can take the screenshot of it and draw the same if you want, or you can draw any drawing of your choice. So to paste I have taken rice, rajma, black pepper, green dal. You can take dal of your choice and this pink dal. You can take any grains that are available in your kitchen. Okay guys, so now we will take glue and start applying it. Okay guys, so I have applied glue and now I am putting rajma into this. Now we will take the green dal and start filling. So guys, you can see the tribal face is ready. I have put rajma here, green dal here, pink here, this is black pepper, rice. So you can take, there are various colored grains in our kitchen, you can take accordingly. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. For more fun-based activity learning, subscribe Orange Blast, and you can also follow Orange Blast on Instagram. Thank you.